Do you want to know how to earn $72 per hour on Autopilot? There is a new website that can show you how to do it. This is how to earn money online on Autopilot. You just need to click on a few buttons and copy some links, and before you know it, you have money coming in your account day after day. You can make money online without selling anything, showing your face, or having any skills. You can do this for free, without any money. So even if you have $0 IN, there are still a few things you can do with your account before it's gone for good. I like that they're paying out daily now, so you don't have to wait as long to get your earnings. I highly suggest for you to watch this video all the way through because I will be showing you later on a step-by-step process on how to sign. If you're looking to make some extra money, this is the perfect opportunity for you. This brand new method is not yet known by a lot of people, so you're very lucky to be watching this video right now. All you need to do is sign up for free, and you can start earning money today. To hop on and earn a decent amount of money, you can do this over and over again using your smartphone or your computer. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let us get started. So let's now go to the website, where you can earn $72 per hour. And this website is 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿24.com. Now here's a warning. If you go directly to the website by yourself without watching this video, there is a high chance for you to get lost because this website is a little bit complicated, and when you get lost you won't be able to earn anything, and I don't want that to happen. So keep on watching and focus on what I'm about to show you. So what is 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬24? Basically, it's an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all common payment methods and accounting automation. As an affiliate, you can access various offers on their marketplace and earn a commission on each sale. You can promote different products and offers as many times as you like, which means there is great earning potential on this platform. You might be wondering, do I have to pay anything to start promoting offers? The answer is no. Signing up with 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿24 is completely free. There are no hidden costs, and you can choose to get paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Take a look at this. You can see the sign-up page for the website here. I will show you how to properly sign up on the website later on. If you skip any part of the sign-up process, you might not earn anything. I will guide you through the whole sign-up process and even show you a live demonstration because I want you to earn a lot of money from this brand new method. Now, as you can see here, these are all the available offers that they have on the website. When you scroll down below, you can see that they have a lot of offers that you can promote. For example, this product right here is an offer that you can promote. The right side, you will be able to see how much money you can possibly earn from it. And just below that you can read more about the product. I'll just leave it up to you to read about it. If you continue to scroll, you can literally see that there are a lot more offers that you can promote. Some of them pay higher and some of them pay lower. So you really need to choose properly which offer to promote. So in just a few moments, I'll show you how to start promoting these offers and where to promote them in order to earn $72 per hour on complete Autopilot. So keep on watching this video and don't skip anything. So right here what you need to do is click on this drop-down menu. By default, the whole list of offers is being sorted by sales rank. That's not what we want here because what we need to see are the earnings. Just need to click on this one right here and choose sort by earnings or sale. By doing that, the list of offers that you see below will change and it will now be sorted by earnings, which means that the highest paying offers will be shown on the top of the list. As you can see here, this offer would pay you more than $700 by just promoting it to other people. For example, as you can see in the screenshot below, this offer would pay you more than $700 by just promoting it to other people. So if you're looking to make some serious money as an affiliate, be sure to sort your offers by earnings before making your choice. So if we go to a calculator, if you multiply 700 by the number of people who purchase your offer, you can make a lot of money. For example, if 3 people purchase your offer, you would make around $2,100. Just imagine if more people purchase the offer. You could make a lot of money. Money from this brand new method. So you want to be an affiliate for 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿24. Great. Here's what you need to do to get started. First, you need to sign up for an account. You can do this by clicking on the Start Now button on the home page. It's free to sign up, and this will take you to the sign up page. Once you're on the sign up page, you need to click on the Affiliate tab. This will take you to the page where you can register as an affiliate. Right here, because that's what you will be doing. You will be promoting offers. The next thing to do is fill out all of these boxes with the needed information. So you need to provide a username. And for this part which says your affiliate link, they will automatically choose one for you. Once you provide a username, you will use that affiliate link later on. When you start to promote offers, then you need to provide your email address, your password, your time zone, and some other information. Basic details about yourself. I love that they accept everyone from anywhere in the world. No matter where you are, you can join and start promoting offers to earn $72 per hour on Autopilot. Just fill out your basic information, check the box, and click the blue button right here which says register for free. After creating an account on 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐞, you can now start promoting offers and earning money. Simply click on Promote Now, and 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐞 will provide you with an affiliate link. Share to other people. And when people click on that link, they will be redirected to the sales page of whatever product you promoted. You can earn money from this product by referring others to purchase it. If you continue to refer others to purchase it, you will continue to earn commissions. Decent amount of money. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to give you a bonus tip that will help you earn double or even triple what others are earning. So what you need to do is visit this website called reddit.com. For those of you who don't know, Reddit is a social networking platform that allows users to discuss and share content based on their interests. The site is divided into subreddits, each of which covers a specific topic. This is an ideal place to promote your content, as there is a high likelihood that people who are interested in the same things as you are will see it. According to SimilarWeb, Reddit receives over 1.5 billion visits per month. That is a lot of people, and you can basically share your link with them and earn a lot of money. What you need to do now on Reddit is to go to the search box right here, then type in how to make money online and click search. You will now be able to see all of the posts which are related to this question. As you can see here, there are a lot of people who are posting this question and are looking for answers. This is the perfect opportunity for you. If you want to earn big commissions from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐞, you need to provide value to your audience first. You can do this by sharing tips on how they can earn money from your link. For example, you can share a tip on how to maximize their earnings potential by using the right keywords. You can also share a tip on how to make sure that their links are visible to potential customers. By providing value to your audience, you will be able to earn their trust and respect, which will ultimately lead to more sales and commissions for you. So here's the second exclusive bonus tip that I want to share with you. I actually made this done for you template which you can copy and paste and use in Reddit. I will give you a copy of this done for you template later on, so I suggest you keep on watching. As you can see, this template is like a list, and below each list is an affiliate link from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐞. You can just replace these links with your very own links, and then you can start copying and pasting this template on Reddit posts. So as an example, I'll highlight everything on here and then click on copy. Then I will go back to Reddit and look for a post and just paste my template there. You can do this again and again depending on how many offers you want to promote. After doing so, you can just relax and wait for your commissions to come in and enjoy your earnings. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.